What's going on, guys? Just want to do a quick video here. I recently tried something and it actually worked out pretty good. So I actually needed to change a bolt on my son's bed, and as you can see here, this is like a polished steel bolt, which won't look too pretty on the bed. It's really shiny, especially he had like darker color wood. So I wanted to try something and it actually came out pretty nice. So I want to give you guys a quick tip. So I was thinking about either painting the head, black to hide it a little bit, but I figured I had some liquid gun bluing laying around. So I'm like, oh, let me actually try this and see if this will work. It's more of a permanent, thing, and it's rust proof, obviously. So I just want to show you guys. It's very simple. Right, so take your bolt. Right, obviously depending on what you wanted. I just needed the actual head to turn. Right, so I actually just dipped it right inside like that. I don't know if I went deep enough. Yep, that's it. As you guys can see, before and after. I'll show you. That's it. So the more you do it, the darker it gets. You're supposed to run it, run it through some water to clean it, right? To actually set it a little bit, and then you drop it in there again. I don't have that much in there, so just want to see. And as you can see, it's getting darker and darker. So just a quick tip: if you guys ever need to, darken your bolts and you don't want to paint them, just dip them in some gun bluing, and they'll come out like this. So thanks for watching. Catch you next time.